I had a client come in who had been to another stylist, and she was not comfortable enough to just get up when things started going wrong. So she let the stylist do her thing. Like you always teach, under promise and over deliver. But she only came in to get her haircut fixed. And because of my reviews, she chose to come see me. And while we were talking, she started talking about the experience and how that stylist was going through some things. And, you know, you always talk about atmosphere, how the atmosphere was just already put her at ease. And we talked about her options. And as I was doing her hair, kind of trying to fix the cut a little bit, I asked her, I said, you want me to pop a toner on there? I can make it, you know. And so her hair was gorgeous. It bumped it up. It took it to a warmer level 9. Able to give her the Georgia volume she was looking for with a round brush up here. And she looked at it and she looked at me and she started crying, literal crying. And I was like, okay, please tell me those are happy. And she was like, yes, they're happy. So you saved somebody's day.